Many of these small-cap biotech stocks have been surging lately. Could this be the hot trade for the year ahead?
Trying to keep their exposure, putting it into biotech. Do you agree with that thesis?
Absolutely. I think biotech is the next big bet.
Unless you've been hiding under a rock, you know that a lot rides on the biotech movement. New market opportunities are rising on the horizon, and smart North American biotech companies could potentially use the momentum to skyrocket their sales. Prescription painkiller sales are set to increase by 15% and hit $8.4 billion by 2017. Due in part to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration's recent decision to ban any generic versions of OxyContin based on the powerful painkiller's original formulation, which does not include anti-abuse features designed to make the pill less addictive. Pharma and biotech stocks started 2017 on a strong note, with this part of the market remaining in favor as the year progresses. So far this year, the NASDAQ Biotechnology Index and the New York Stock Exchange ARCA Pharmaceutical Index are up to 25.6% and 14.6%, respectively. The FDA has approved far more drugs this year than it did in the whole of 2016. According to the Zacks Earnings Trends Report, the medical sector, which has been among the better performing sectors over the last several quarters, is expected to record earnings growth of 1% on revenue growth of 4.7% in the third quarter. Investing in such stocks could prove beneficial for investors, as an earnings beat usually leads to significant share price appreciation. A potential breakthrough, being driven by Veritas Pharma, is on the path to identify cannabinoid-based pharmaceuticals for pain and nausea without the usual downside and risks associated with opioids. Veritas's goal is to market its very own branded, patented, dried leaves or extracts backed with clinical proof of efficacy. Such a product or products could open the door to regulatory approval from Health Canada and potentially the FDA, as well as acceptance by insurance companies and the medical community at large. It would also ensure patients are receiving the same proven medical product with each purchase. Here are 5 reasons to consider Veritas Pharma. Reason number 1. Veritas is using a proven fast-track research protocol to drastically reduce the time and expense of obtaining the all-important clinical proof of marijuana's efficacy. Reason number 2. MaraPharm Ventures, an emerging powerhouse in medical marijuana, has formed a strategic alliance with Veritas, investing in the company to ensure access to capital in order to complete clinical trials. Reason number 3. The Canadian government is in the final review stage of the company's application for a license to grow and develop a state-of-the-art 0.73-acre cultivation facility and control the valuable seed-to-sale process, ensuring patients receive the same clinically backed patented product. Reason number 4. Successful chemical and animal studies, which were approved by Health Canada, have led to advanced research and warrants an immediate start for human trials specific to pain and nausea. A crucial milestone that has the potential to send share prices soaring. Reason number 5. Medical marijuana stocks are hot at the moment. Companies with research programs far less promising than Veritas's have potentially made millions for investors. Veritas Pharma's momentum has been nothing but breathtaking. This biotech gem clearly has both best-of-breed science and the capital needed to move on to the next step in its business plan: human clinical trials. Patenting clinically backed strains for specific disease conditions could lead to an enormous win for investors.